All right, everybody, this is Manning Harvey. It is Saturday, the 8th of October. Mathew has gone away, and that's my first inspection of the boat. Now I'm going to show you in a second how close Viking was to being lost last night. We tied her up real good. There's no sign of any physical damage to Viking at all. She rode out the storm perfectly. She has no scratches or bangs. But now we're going to take a look at how close we came to being lost. Check this out. Right at the bow. Right at Viking's bow. Here's Viking's bow, and right there, the dock is busted in half, and the pilings all the way down are gone. There's a sailboat up in the grass right there. And then if you look across the river, you'll see why I took the jib off, because there's one that's all ripped out of the boat and blasting away. Actually, I see two of them. There's another one over there. That's why you take all your clothes off your boat. Now we're going to walk down here a little bit. Watch your step. I want to get a good look at this crack. There it is. Viking. Check that out. That's how we lose Viking. She's still on the main dock, but only by a hair. Now check this out. We're going to take a walk down the dock here. This boat, this piling is gone. That steel piling that holds that Brooks boat to the dock is gone. So he's about to be lost. It's probably submerged. All this is ripped apart. Now check this out. The boat, and all the canvas, again, that's why you take your canvas off, all ripped to shreds. Here's a boat that's taken some damage here when the dock collapsed. These docks have load limits, and if they don't follow the load limit, there's Joshua down there. Check, now look, see? I don't want to keep saying that. I don't want to say check this out anymore. But you can walk now from my marina all the way to California Dreamin'. Got the entire Ripley Light Yacht Club dock is over on top of the California Dreamin' dock. And I'm going to show you why this happened. This dock was not made to support a boat like the Carolina Girl in a hurricane. This was not built for that. And there's another good view of that boat up in the marsh there. We've seen that boat before. But this is really tremendous damage to the Ripley Light Yacht Club. Stop, Josh. Nobody wants to see that. Stop.
Choke.
See, this Carolina Girl is too much boat for this dock. All those steel pilings now are down and underwater right here. All now navigation issues.
Ooh.
And look here, this boat is pinned. I'd never thought this would happen. This boat is pinned against the California Dreamin' dock. Can you imagine this? We now can walk. I just know they're going to throw me out of this marina.
Why?
because they got to fix it. This is California dreaming, folks, right here. Look, we've walked all the way over. I want to see if there's any damage to this large motor yacht here. All this has just been ripped out, man. It's unbelievable. And it all happened right there at Viking. Can you imagine the stresses that were going on Viking when this happened? Look at this. Lucky this boat didn't sink. Here I am, I just stepped onto the California Dreamin' dock. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow. Alright, Josh, come here. Been some damage to this large motor yacht. It'll get worse if they don't get it fixed soon. There you go, folks. Ripley Light Yacht Club.
Wait, don't turn it off. Don't turn it off. What's it?
Ripley Light Yacht Club now is a part of...
It was cold.
Yacht Club is now part of California Dreamin' stock. Unbelievable. Alright, we'll walk down here. I'll keep the video running, because it is kind of spectacular. Get another look at Viking. This is why it's happening right here. This dock has been wrecked because of this large yacht here. Just couldn't support. I'm wondering how that'll be settled in the insurance, because the dock just wasn't designed for that load of that large yacht. Lots and lots of damage at this marina. She's not in a very good place.
She's there.
Because of the way the dock's broke.
Hey, I want to be in the movie. I want to be in the movie.
Angelo's boat. It's not in good shape. Not
Nobody
in
knows
good
who Angelo is.
place. And we get up here to see Viking. Really amazing. Look at where that break is. And look where Viking is. Alright, that's it for the video. I'll be down here tomorrow. They'll probably want me to move Viking someplace.